So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-back length hair. Wow, gorgeous angled lob transformation. She looks absolutely stunning, beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some long to bob hair transformations. Here we have someone trying out a mini bob style. This one is much shorter in the back. Beautiful exaggerated angle going there. Wow, very nice. And then we see another gorgeous bob with the classic center part down the middle. Beautiful blunt ends. And then we move on to someone who has hair just past their shoulders. And she also decided to get a gorgeous angled bob style. I love her blonde hair, very pretty. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone once again with hair just past their shoulders. And she switches it up with this classic bob style. So it looks like we have someone else trying out the mini bob hair trend. She has some gorgeous highlights mixed in. Wow. Beautiful feather texture. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. The color combined with the cut is just unreal. She has so much volume and fullness. Very nice. Next up, we see someone else who has mid-length hair. Rather unique technique for cutting. And she also decided to get a classic bob style. A little bit of a swoop bang in the front to frame the face. And then we have another gorgeous bob to end off the video. She does have a beautiful angle going for this one. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these bob transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.